top 10 best rooted applications on any Android smartphone. So this application will work on any smartphone running Android application. Okay, so let me show you my choice is completely my choice, top 10 best rooted applications. Okay, so here is a list, and as you can see, it's quite familiar. Means every app is very familiar apps. Okay, so on number 10 I'll say it's Go Manager. So what is Go Manager? See, it's asking for root privileges. So what's Go Manager? Go Manager is an application which is very important for if you love flashing custom ROMs on your smartphone. Okay, so this application is very good, as most of the developers on HCF forums use this go.im website to upload their custom ROMs. So this is simple. The Go Manager is the go.im websites every ROMs. Okay, so suppose there's a very famous developer in Galaxy Grand, say Pawit P. So let's browse. Okay, so here it says Pawit P means it searches for compatible ROMs. Means suppose i908 is this model number, and if you do this browse compatible, then it will search for your phone only. Okay, and suppose you are having an S3, then it will show all the ROMs which are present on your S3. Okay, so if I select Pawit P, and here it says that there are two types of variants. One is CM10.1, one is CM11. So if I select CM11, so here is the complete list of ROMs which one can download freely from this website, starting from see the first update he released the ROM on 10th December 2013. This is the first version, and this is the last version, which is 9th January 2014. Means with this application you will be fully up to date. Okay, you don't need to open XDA developer, or you don't need to search for the links. Just download this application and it will search for the compatible ROMs which you are running, means your model number, the phone. Okay, so this is pretty interesting, and you can download this ROM directly. See, here it says begin download. Okay, so on rank 9 I will rate Droid Wall. Okay, so Droid Wall is a simple application. It's just a firewall application. Means suppose you want to block any application from using internet, then this application is for you. Add away. Okay, so this application comes at number 8 for me, the top 10 list out of. Okay, so this application is pretty good if you want to block any ads from any of your say application or any browser. So suppose you open a browser and you will see lots of ads going around. So with this application you can block all those ads, even from all the application you use, say free application or light version application, and here you'll see some ads going on. You can disable all those ads using this app. On number 7 I would say this FPS meter. So FPS meter is also a pretty good application for this, especially for gamers. And okay, so this application, with this application what you can do is select this average FPS, minimum FPS. Okay, and then start service, and you will show the frames per second which this your phone is running, or even it acts even on games as well. I don't have any games. Okay, here is one game which sound. Okay, so this application is also pretty good. Okay, here you can see the frames per second FPS. Okay, so this is mainly for gamers. Here you can see that if the application, if your games are running slow or not, that to run FPS meter you need to go to settings, and in developer option you need to tick this option, disable HW overlay, or else the FPS will be fixed. It will not show application. I would say Superuser. So Superuser is actually just like an administrator of your phone, which gives root access, root privileges to all the applications. Okay, so it's a very important application. Without this you can't even run a single rooted application. Okay, so next most important application, rooted application, I would say Export Installer. So this is actually a application where we have a collection, huge number of mods for your custom ROM. Here are some of the mods. Here it says 20 megapixel superior auto, 3-dot main mod. Okay, so this is the Gravity Box. Here is a Jelly Bean and KitKat. So I'm running 4.4, so I'll select this one. So this ROM is only for ASP ROMs like Cyanogen mod, AOKP, all those things. Okay, so here's the main features: Cyanogen pie chart, lock screen target, lock screen tweaks, status bar tweaks, navigation bar tweaks. This one. Okay, you can select lots and lots of options with this. Okay, so Expose Installer, so that's Expose Installer. Next, I would say the most important application. Next, I would say GL2SD. So what GL2SD does is, suppose your phone is, okay, I'm giving the example on my phone. So, I'm running Galaxy Grand, and this has an internal storage of 8 GB, out of which I got 3.8 GB, so which is pretty low for today's standard, right? So if I want to install 3-4 HD games, which is about 1.5 GB in size, so that's not possible to install. That's, you need to put the the data file in the internal SD card. So what GL2SD does is that you can put your OFF file or the data file directly to your external SD card, which is your memory card, which you can add by 32 or 64 GB, and this application will mount that data file of your game with the help of this application. Okay, with the help of this application, you are free to install any games as much as you want. Okay, so this application is very important for, especially for gamers. And yeah, so this comes on top 5 list. It's very good application, very easy to use, and now it's fully compatible with KitKat as well. Next most important application, I would say Greenify. So what Greenify does is that you can add lots and lots of application. Suppose I'm adding this YouTube, and if you press this right icon, then it will hibernate that application. Okay, suppose I want to hibernate this WhatsApp. Okay, so it will hibernate that application, and it will prevent it from running in background and thus saving your battery life. So Greenify comes at rank 3 for me. Rank 2 goes to Root Explorer. So for me, Root Explorer is power user's dream application, where you can edit, remove, delete, modify every single part of your Android smartphone system files, and it's very easy. All you need to do is to root your phone, install this application, okay, and select this mount as RO or RW. Then you can edit or do some changes with any of the files or folders with this application, and you can even install many applications by changing its permission. Okay, so this application comes as rank 2 for me. Rank 1 list, rank 1 goes to Titanium Backup. Okay, so Titanium Backup comes at rank 1 because due to its character, what it does is that it will suppose you have 20 applications installed with lots of data and lots of games as well, save games, all those things. So what you can do is you can back up each and every application. Okay, see, here is a list of applications which are currently on my phone. So if I want, I can back up the beach cricket game, okay, with this save backup, and it will automatically back up the game as well as the data file where up to where I have played the game. So this application is very important. And you can do batch backup process, means with just one click you can back up every single application on your phone, and it will create a folder list with all the files, and you can just copy it to your PC for better backup. And once you install a new ROM or something like that, then or even you change your phone, okay, and for on your new phone, if you are rooted and install this titanium backup and you've transferred that folder to your new phone, and you can that time also you can get all the application and its backup files just by one click batch recovery, and every single application which you're running on your this phone will be there on your new phone as well. So it's a very awesome application, one of the best application I've seen on Android platform. So this comes at rank 1. So guys, that's it. This is the rank 10 to 1, or the top 10 best rooted application. These are all my choice application. I know it will differ from your choice, but that's it for this video. If you like this video, then guys, I'll appreciate if you press the like button, and thanks for watching.